Welcome to fellow cybersecurity enthusiasts. Today we embark on journey into the world of directory enumeration tools, powerful instruments that allows us to uncover hidden paths and directories on website and servers. Join me as we explore the tools that make this possible. Before we dive into the tools themselves, let's get a grasp of what directory enumeration is. Directory enumeration involves systematically scanning a target system for hidden or obscure directories that might not be directly accessible from website's main page. This was the directory. Okay. Now let's take a closer look at some of most effective directory enumeration tools used by security professionals and ethical hackers. First one is the DIRB. DIRB is Directory Booster, excels at brute forcing directories by using a word list to uncover hidden gems that might be lurking beneath the surface. Next up, we have a uh, Gobuster, a versatile command line tool that performs directory and file brute forcing. Its configurability and speed make it to go-to choice for many professionals. Enter ffuf, a dynamic web fuzzer with the power to discover hidden content beyond the directories alone. Its fuzzing capabilities extend to various aspects of web application. It comprehensive tool. Dirsearch is a Python-based tool known for its simplicity and effectiveness. It focused on directory enumeration, allows you to tailor your scans with easy. Then next is DIR boost. Last but not least, we have a DIR booster. This Java-based tool, like its counterparts, uncover hidden paths through brute force. It's another valuable tool in our directory enumeration toolkit. Let's see this tool in action. I have set up a control environment to demonstrate how each of them reveals hidden paths. This was the DIRB using the localhost and create a directory brute force, and these are the assets, FTP, profile, promotion. These are the all the directories of this localhost website. As you can see, this tool systematically travels through the possible directories and paths, presenting us with a potential entry points that could be of interest. Once these tools complete their scans, it is essential to interrupt the result wisely. Some path may be unconscious while other could lead to sensitive data or even vulnerabilities. Before we wrap up world on ethics, before we wrap up on a word of ethics, any remember to use these tools responsibly and within the boundaries of the law. Ensure you have a permission to perform these scans, as ethical hacking is about improving security, not causing harm. To sum it up, directory enumeration tools are indispensable assets in the realm of cybersecurity. They help us to unveil hidden paths leading to better protection and preparedness against potential threats. Thank you for your joining me for this exploration of directory enumeration. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep honing your skills. Until next time.